So, hi, my name is George. I originally come from Greece, but I work in Sweden. And I'm here to present the GENPATH project, a collaboration with 7 countries in Europe, examining the gendered pathways to exclusion from social relations in older age. And we've done that through 2 methodologies. The first one is to analyze secondary data from, basically we opted for SHARE, the Survey of Health and Retirement in Europe study. And the second one is to conduct 30 interviews in each country. And here come some of the challenges that came really early on when we took that gender perspective on the issue. And the one was that it was really hard to recruit people that are excluded from social relations in studies. But on the other hand, it is even more to hard to recruit people that go beyond the binary definition of men and women in those studies. And if you take the intersection of those 2 rare to find groups, not overrepresented groups, then here comes the first challenge. So we had problems to go beyond the binary definition of male and female in our project. So you may say that for the secondary data would be the case because the data is already there, so we have no influence on what was asked. But that was also the case with the interviews when we went out, that we couldn't actually recruit people that define themselves beyond those 2. Beyond this binary definition. The second challenge was that although we went purposefully to find gender differences, male and female, we couldn't find any. So when we did it purposefully, it was really hard to do. So when we changed a little bit the strategy and we were looking at the issue of exclusive social relations a little bit more general, then we started to find some gender differences. And the gender differences we find testify to intersectionality actually, because this was really disadvantages taking place when A, B, C, and D condition were also taken into consideration. So not in plain sight. I think beyond that, I have no other challenges to report.
Thank you, George.